So this is a recap that we took a trade on gold last night. All right. So looking back in the 15-minute time frame, so we clearly see a bearish structure collecting all this liquidity down here. All right. So once we swept all this buy side liquidity, so I am looking for buying opportunity. Why? First is on the 15-minute time frame, we have a clear valid market structure, which is from this move up to this down low. All right. So we are now seeing its uh, clear imbalance. Plus, we have a equilibrium in this 3020 prices. All right. So sooner or later, the market will always rebalance in these areas. But uh, we do not know when will it happens. All right. So as we can see, this is a rate on the liquidities in this low right here. So we have this one, this one, this one, and this low right here's are being swept. All right. So the next thing we need to look is if in this structure right here we have imbalance. Number one, imbalance. We will look for its equilibrium in this 50% areas. Plus, if in this structure there is a liquidities sitting right there. All right. So as you can see, we have this liquidity right here and liquidity in this area. So they are perfectly aligned on the imbalance of the 15-minute time frame. All right. So we have liquidity 1, 2, and 3. Plus we have a um imbalance in this gap right here. All right. So I am confident that the market will always rebalance in this structure. So that's why we are looking for a buying opportunity. So we don't know when to uh, place our buys. So that's why we need a confirmations. All right. So the confirmations that I am looking in this structure right here, because this is a New York session. So we clearly see in the 1 minute time frame, we have a manipulations happening in these areas. All right. That's why. So retail traders, they are thinking that when we see these candle formations right here, so they are confident that this will provide them enough data to buy in the or to long in the market. All right. So example, we have a retail traders trading in this area. They put their stop loss right here, targeting the liquidities. But what did the market do is that they manipulate the um, prices right here. They move the price downward. After that, we clearly see we clearly see our confirmation. So what I was looking is that um, a solid or a clear move displacement in the opposite side. So we clearly have this clear move. All right. So we have a fair value gap in this area. So I was wondering if this is the manipulation phase, we could enter in these areas around right here in this fair value gap. So we have buying opportunity. We will put our stop loss below this uh, previous low. Why? It's because if this is not the manipulation phase, so we could protect our accounts and then retake our buying positions below these areas. All right. So we clearly see a fair value gap plus a displacement above opposite direction. So I am now confident that this trade will work out. So for me, this is A plus setups, and we will now target the imbalances on the upsides. All right. So that is our trade yesterday. So let's see if the market will. All right. So we got entry in these areas, right? This. So we take our partial profits in this liquidity sitting right here, and our max take profit is in the equilibrium of the imbalance 15-minute valid structure. All right. So as you can see, this is our 15-minute imbalance. We have equilibrium in this area. So target this equilibrium plus the liquidities. All right. So let's see what the market will do. All right. So we have take profit 1, take profit 2. So our max take profit, let's see if the market will take it. All right. So that's it for our trade. A plus setups. Okay. So 1, 2, and 3. All right. So that is how we do it in our academy. So I hope this is informational video. So if you want videos like this, please hit like and subscribe.